Good morning. Hope you're doing good. Okay, so I am going to go over share screen. All right, this here. Okay, I'm going to put in uh, different different headings in here. Um, there's people that are new to trading, people that are more experienced, and some have said that they're feeling overwhelmed. Okay, I understand. I understand. So, um, I will. I will separate things so that things don't get lost as well. All right. Um, now I've been this here signals. I think everyone's plugged in that wants to be plugged into the signal channel. So what I'm going to do is when I see a setup, I'm going to put the setup in, right? And I'm going to explain what I see in the market so that the next time that you see it, because it happens, the market just repeats itself over and over again. So as you see there's something like this happening, it can happen on any instrument. Right? Now I trade gold in Asian session because it moves in Asia, and there's other instruments as well, and tradable assets that move in Asia, right? But I will put this in here, and then I'm going to explain it also with the Kettler and the Boss. I think that's better, right? So it's up to you whether you plug into it or not. I I seem like I'm talking to myself all the time in the chat. I don't know. Sometimes I go, why am I even sharing? Is anyone even listening? It's it's a bit like discouraging at times, to be honest. But anyway, I love what I do. And if it helps someone that's a silent assassin in there, great. But all right, anyway. Okay, so let's go on to this. Right. So when I put this in, right, I see a quick scalp. Now, I'm not saying I'm going for a home run here. I'm scalping the market. I go in, I get out. I get in and I get out. Right? Some people it will suit, some people it won't. Right? Scalping is something that I have done for several years. Right? Um, and this pattern here is what some know is a quasi. It's like a head and shoulder pattern. Right? I'll point it out. Right? So we have a left and that in here. Right? So this broke this trend line through here. It also came up to this area here, which when you look at it, looks like a supply area. All right. So if you don't know about supply and demand, all that kind of stuff, fair value gaps, Donnie is a trader that teaches all that. So he's got all the basics. Right. Okay. So in here, you can see that it formed a bearish kind of a pattern. And that's what I look for, is for this to come like that. I'm going to go on the chart in a minute. So I put it all together and I just as a market whole. So this is price action and the moving averages, and it all gives more confirmation. Right? Okay, so I'll just go on to here. Right. Okay. Okay, so in here, I'm going to go and have a look on the higher time frame. No, I don't want that one. I want hide indicators. Okay, so we made a high, we made a high, we made another high, massive wick. Just draw this out here. So we're kind of like in this channel here. So market's been kind of So we shall see what this does. I always trade what I see, not what I think, because they could push right past this and create another high. Right. They might pull back first. I will see what they do. Right. Beautiful buy here of these trend lines. Okay, so going down to the 5-minute time frame. Right. It looks like it's doing a bit of a wedge pattern here. Okay, these are all breaker structures. All here. Right. Breaker structure. Boom. Easy money. And look to the left, there's a clear. Right. When there's no turnarounds. Right. And again here, break. Right. Breaker structure. And what made it come here? We're at this trend line. We also got a reversal pattern. Right. So in here, hang on, we're here. Right. We've got a left, head, and there. And we come here, right? And up she went. Right. We've also got in here, we've got a bullish pattern before it broke up. Okay, so these are the patterns that I look for, right? There's a trend break here. Boom, boom, boom. Right? All money here. Right? And then on here, so this is making higher highs, higher lows, right? We could drop off. We could do anything, really. This could be a break and a retest of this area. Right? This could come up. Right? So if you have a look here, it's a kind of like a bullish pattern as well. Right? Kind of. Would have been better if it came down a bit. But this here, this could sell. Right? It's wedging in here right now. Right? So I'll see what this does. This also, right? The market, I always go, it could do anything. It could come down to this area and create, if it did this, right? Just explaining, if it did this and then broke through here, right? It could be testing this area again. Okay. So I'm always looking at what patterns are getting formed, right? But this here, this could also be going to sell down, right? Because it's broken this trend. Right? This trend here. Okay, so in here, just let me just get rid of all this, remove. Right. Nice. Right. So there was a bit of a trend happening here. Tested here, we got that quasi. Right, quasi up the top. Okay, let me just go to normal candle, see. Oh, yeah, there we go. Final push. Big bears. Bearish move. So this could come down. Okay. Mamma mia. All right. So in here, what I'm doing was, yeah. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, yeah. I think I just missed it. Oh, yeah. So in here, this is where I get in, right? So I've got a short stop loss. I see this. See this here? See this fat flat? We've got an indecision, right? It did it over here. Did I get this one? Yes, I got this one. Right. We've got these wicks here. Right. And there was this that I drew. Right. And then I got in on the fat flat. and it came through and I caught this. Then it came back up again, came down to here. Right. Okay, so I took this, just quick, quick money, quick scalp. All right, I think I entered around here. But when there's a trending market, it's even better. So I caught that. All right, it's better to have that. It's good to go for 2 to 1, but all right. But I just went in, boom. See the MACD here? Boom. Okay, I'm out. Okay, done. Thank you very much. It's probably going to come up again because we've been trending, right? Okay, and this one here, right? So this is more advanced, right? But you can see here we've got an indecision followed by a fat flag. Now, yes, the market can push it higher, right? Come up again. But when it comes through these moving averages is when I look for a potential sell. Okay, like right now. Okay, now it could bounce off this area. Price has been there previous. See through here? So always looking to the left. All right, what's through here? See how price has bounced, became support, touched in, touched again, and now it's in here. So this is not an ideal trade. The reason why I took this was because it was a quasi. Right. So the quasi pattern. Right. So like that. And it broke this, it created this bearish pattern. And then I took the sell here. Right. Quick money. Okay, I only traded one account because I don't feel good. Oof. So this here, it's going to go like this. It can either break up or it can break down. But if you have a look here, all right. Okay. See how this here is in a trend, right? So if I go to the 1 minute time frame, I can see that it's nicely apart. We have a break of structure. There's a trade there. And then it came in again. All right. So I've got this here as a break of structure to take the trade. These break of structures happen. And if you look to the left, see how the market just tanked? So there's not many turnaround areas. So that's what I look for as well. Okay. This here is a beautiful trending market. This is what I like to see. See this? Beautiful. Right. In here and here. And I'll look on other different things. Right. I can trade this. That's a beautiful trend as well. Right. But I am a pattern trader. I'm a trend trader. Okay. Similar pattern here to push up. We shall see what it does. Right. We shall see what it does. This could, oh, it actually broke up. See? See, a lot of people think it's selling. I'm like, that's why I go in, get my money, and I'm done. I'd always look to the left. Right? Look to the left. So, and then waiting for this to see what it does. Right? If this starts curling up, going up past this high, of course, this will be a breaker structure, and I'll take the buy. right? Okay. But if something as clear as this, it's making high, 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 low, high, 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 low, high, high. It's coming up to these areas, right? In here, right? Come in here. If you want to make it super simple, a 1 minute time frame. Right. Joe. Even these patterns. Beautiful. Comes in, out. You can literally sculpt this. But if you look at the higher time frame, boom, 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 that you're done. You are literally done. Right. This move here, right. Even just before, just have a look. You train your eyes to see this, right? It is a bullish pattern before a breakout. Look at the moving average, right? Okay, comes up and boom, boom, off we go. Look at the MACD all green. Okay, beautiful. Wow, and it comes in here, and it comes in again. Whee! You can literally scalp this. Scalp, ooh, scalp, ooh. Have that like that. Go in, quick scalps, and again, boom, it's in an uptrend. And you can see this clear as day pattern here. Did it? Did it? No. Okay. And we're looking for the green. There is bright green. Boom, boom. Easy money. I like when it comes in and out. This is beautiful. In and out. And again, it just continues. You can just scalp this. All right. So looking at the trade. Oof. There we go. Bounced there. That would have been a trade. Another trade. All right. It broke out of here. Okay. All right. That's enough for this one. But this is what I look for. Pattern, bearish flag, quick scalp coming down. All right. And these breaks here. Beautiful break and retest, continuation. Okay, beautiful. Very nice. Okay. Auf Wiedersehen.